In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a section change request in CourseDog. You'll want to log in and go to the academic scheduling module. From there, you'll click on Requests, create a request, and select a section change. Make sure you set the term to the appropriate term for the course you want to make a change. In this case, I'm going to edit a section from summer 2026 of Econ 5. The section number is 2010. When you're making a section change request, provide a detailed reason for the request. In this case, I'm going to be increasing the course capacity from 46 to 49 based on the tentative agreement between the Hartnell College Faculty Association and the district. Then I'm going to scroll down, find where I can edit the section capacity and change it from 46 to 49. I'm also going to change the schedule capacity. This ensures that the maximum number of students can enroll in the course. Finally, I'll go back to the top and submit my request.